Hello guys, Master Praveen. So we are going to practice today Jalaneti. Jalaneti is the part of the Shatkarma that we all knows. Shatkarma is also known by in the modern days is the detox. So we'll go for the Jalaneti. Jalaneti is a very good practice for your nasal cleansing. So first we will know ki what things required for the Jalaneti. For the Jalaneti, Jala means the Jal, Neti means nasal cleansing. So uske liye we need a bit hot water, we need a little normal water so that we can be mix it, and we need to use the warm water, and we need a little salt ताकि हम उस warm water के अंदर we can mix the some salt, and then we have to do this practice. So these my all are the YTT student here, and they all are ready to do the Jalaneti. We also require the one pot. You can be find the pot in different form. This is the one traditional style, and this is the another form of. Tanishi like this one style, so उसने वो वाला ले लिया. So okay, so once you have that water, salted water, we need to mix the water with the salt. After that, they have to take the position. When you take the position, they can be sit this in this way. Even they can be bend the one leg like that. After that, take the pot in their hand. थोड़ा सा नजदीक आ जाओ. Once you take the pot in your hand, you have to put the nasal in one side of your nose. Slightly turn your head. Breath normally from your mouth. मुंह से सामान्य रूप से सांस लेना और फिर आप देखेंगे मैजिक. Then when you breath normally, so the water will naturally and automatically will come out the another nostril. फिर धीरे धीरे जो पानी जो है वो दूसरी नाक से आपका आना वो शुरू हो जाएगा. Initially, you can be take the this Miss संगीता बैठ के ले लो भाई वीडियो. Relax, relax, relax करते जाइए. Breath normal, face should be relaxed, and there are a lot of benefits when we are doing the Jalaneti. Because nowadays यही रखो वीडियो, मेरे ऊपर जूत नहीं है आपको. I am just talking. So Jalaneti is good for because nowadays the very polluted environment, so it's really clean the nose inside. And good practice for the nose, for ear, for the eyes. Good, good, good. Everyone is going good, good. Sometimes it may happen कि कई बार होता है कि वो flow नहीं बन पाता है. Flow is not able. So you can be little relaxed and you can be try once again. So once you done the one side, so you should be try from the another side. Jina, you try the other side. दूसरी तरफ से करो. Jina, try the other side. Yes, very good उपकार. चेहरे को बिल्कुल रिलैक्स रखना. देयर शुड बी नो स्ट्रेन एट योर फेस. किसी भी तरह का कोई भी तनाव नहीं होना चाहिए. देयर शुड बी नो प्रेशर एट ऑल. मेंटली प्रेशर. यस. So everyone can do this practice, and once you done this practice, you should also require the one kind of the small towel so that कि क्या होता है कि the toxins coming out, the mucus is coming out from the nose, so you can be clean it. आप उसे clean कर सकते हो. Clean it, clean it, clean it, clean it. हाथ यूज कर लो अपने. Yes, clean it, clean it, clean. कोई बात नहीं. Maybe it looks so weird, but guys, this is really very beneficial. Okay, if you all done, so you please put the pot there. आप अपना pot वहाँ रख दीजिए. And after we finish this, we need to be take out all the water from the nose. So that is we prefer we should do the Kapalbhati kind of. Kapalbhati is a part of the Shatkarma. Kapalbhati part of the Pranayama too. So you have to little bend down. थोड़ा सा bend कर लीजिए. And after you have to be do the Kapalbhati little gently. तो आपको धीरे धीरे जो आपको कपालभाति करना है. रीजन इज व्हेन यू डू द कपालभाति फ्रॉम द नोज, सो द रिमेनिंग वाटर विच इज स्टिल रिमेन इन द नोज, इट विल बी कम आउट. जो पानी जलानेति करते समय रह गया नाक के अंदर वो बाहर आ जाए. सो इफ द वाटर रिमेन स्टिल इनसाइड द नोज, सो इट कैन क्रिएट द फ्लू एंड दैट. तो इसीलिए ये अच्छी प्रैक्टिस है कि आप जलानेति करने के बाद थोड़ा सा कपालभाति करें. यू कैन आल्सो प्रैक्टिस द वन साइड. एक नोस्ट्रल से भी आप कर सकते हैं. यू कैन गो विद द लेफ्ट नोस्ट्रल, यू कैन गो विद द राइट नोस्ट्रल. तो कम से कम 1 मिनट या 2 मिनट मिनिमम ट्राई टू डू द कपालभाति प्राणायाम फॉर 1 मिनट एंड 2 मिनट. so that all the water, remaining water, can come out from the nose. So everyone can do this practice, but in case if someone is going through any kind of the nasal surgery and someone has a weak veins in the nose, so they please avoid it. उनको ये avoid करना है. And after we done this, so you can be have a relax, and sometime even we can be use some kind of the medicated cow ghee, we call the गाय का जो घी होता है, that is a medicated, you can be even use in your nose. So thank you very much everyone for watching, and you can